Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video is going to be showing you how to get admin commands in 99 Nights in the Forest. You can get a 99 Nights in the Forest code that's going to unlock a secret admin panel. So the control panel that's already built in, allowing you to instantly spawn all items. You can skip days, freeze time, get invincibility mode, revive, and more. So these are definitely the easiest and best codes to obtain a 99 Nights in the Forest admin commands panel. So before I show you how to do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always searching for brand new methods of getting admin commands. So as you can see, you've got to use your mobile phone internet browser to obtain this secret code. And like I said, you can literally grab your code from your mobile and enter it into your game, and it is going to unlock the admin commands panel. So go to www.crashcoupons.com. So go ahead and type it exactly like this, crashcoupons.com. And what this is, guys, this is a game code website. They don't only have Roblox games, they have pretty much every other game as well. So I do recommend you use the search bar, because that is going to make you find the 99 Nights in the Forest Roblox codes page easier. Now, as you can see, there are 4 verified codes, and these are really popular. Thousands of people use these. So scroll down and look for the admin commands code. Get the admin commands panel in 99 Nights in the Forest. So click on get code. As you can see, these are limited codes. There's 600 plus codes remaining. These are really highly rated. So now click on show full code. Now I have already done this, guys, and it does take about 5 minutes to obtain your code, but it is well worth it considering you are getting the admin panel for free, and this was working in 2026. So as you can see, you need to unlock your 99 Nights in the Forest admin code. So click on get full code, and you just got to follow the instructions on this screen. This basically tells you what you need to do. So you need to complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Crash Coupons. And this is very important, guys. You follow the unlock instructions below each app. So you're going to have a list of tasks. I've only got 2. You may see slightly more, but you only need to complete 2. And you just got to make sure you read the text below each task. They're basically like free mobile apps, mobile games, answering survey questions and stuff. So once you fully complete 2 of those, what it's going to do, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons, and your 99 Nights in the Forest code for your admin commands panel will be fully revealed. Like I said, I've already done this, and it does limit 1 code per person per day. So yeah, if you do everything correctly, your full code will be revealed. You can redeem it in game, and that is how to get admin commands in 99 Nights in the Forest in 2026. So go to Crash Coupons, and then once you reach this website, scroll down the 99 Nights in the Forest codes page and just select the admin commands code. Make sure you unlock it. Drop a like on this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.